G'day gang, Sky Pilot here again. Well, this is the Green Hornet, folks. I've finally got my 1300 4S, which I've chucked on. I was running a 1500, which was a little bit heavy, I think, with the camera on board. Got my Foxy Lollipop on the back here. Battery's charged. I'll be fixing my DJI Osmo Action up the front here, and going to get some rock steady footage, I hope. Done a couple of reviews on this already, guys, so check out my links up on the top of the screen there on the right. This is an awesome little unit. It's not really a freestyle unit, more of you cruising around getting some nice steady footage with your GoPro or your DJI, etc. up the front there. Modifications, I'll put some nice little soft legs on it for when she lands on a hard surface, because it's just fairly flat there. Thanks for stopping by, the Green Hornet. So before I go any further, I will do a quick line of sight before I take my Osmo Action off from around my neck. Did I mention it was fairly noisy? But that's cool. I'm out in the open here. Not an indoor unit. It's a bit like a flying saucepan. Really nice and easy to keep control of. Let's don the DJI and get some footage. Awesome stuff. This thing's really nice. yeah, whoops, a quick fly around the iFlight Green Hornet. Yeah, it really does shoot around really well. Yeah, any questions, any comments, drop them below. Great to hear from you. Plenty more to come. See you next time in the sky. Sky Pilot.